Okay, children. Good morning. So already we have discussed second class. What is our first lesson, children? What we have discussed? Our basic needs, and second one is our food. So two lessons we have finished. Now today we are going to discuss about our house. Children, what is house? Where we are living? We are living in house, isn't it? Without house, how we will be able to live? It is highly impossible. So we need a house to live in. A house protects us from heat, rain, cold and wind. It keeps away wild animals and thieves. Here whenever at the night time when you will be sleeping outside, it will be not safe for you. You need a house because sometimes the wild animals may come and attack, or robbers may come and attack you. So that is the reason safe. Where is a safe place for you? House is a safe place. Here, now if you see a small house made up of mud, wood, leaves, etc. is known as what type of house? It is known as a kacha house. What is a kacha house? Kacha house is made up of mud, wood, leaves, etc. is called kacha house. Okay, this big house made up of bricks, wood, cement and steel is called a pakka house. So pakka house is made up of what, children? Bricks, wood, cement and steel. If you see these bungalows are very big houses. This type of houses are known as very big houses known as bungalows. What are the caravans? Here children, people will be moving from one place to another place. They make a temporary houses. What they make? They make a temporary houses. The people who move from one place to another place, that is known as caravans. What is that, children? That is known as the caravans. So here in a very cool countries, people make a houses of snow. They have a semicircular roofs. People जो cold countries में रहते हैं ना, और उनको ज़्यादा स्नो रहते हैं. So in the particular places they have what type of roofs? They are having the semicircular roofs, and they are also called the igloos. So they are called igloos. Eskimos make igloos and live them. Who are the people living? Eskimos are making the igloos and they are living in that. This is the igloos. The houseboats are found in Kashmir. Where do we find the houseboats? Kashmir. They are made up of wood and fixed over a boat. In Kerala, houseboats are found in the vast backwaters of Kumarakom. So, Kerala houseboats where we are able to find at the vast backwaters of Kumarakom. Here this is about our house. Here children I have given the 10 hard words. That is, first one is kacha house, second one pakka house, third one bungalows, fourth one caravans, fifth one igloos, sixth one sattas, seventh one Eskimos, eighth one houseboat, ninth one Kerala, 10th one Kumarakom. So here children, I have not written the questions on the board. Just I started writing the answers. So first one, what are the houses or uses of the house? So what is the uses of a house? House protect us from heat, rain, cold and wind. Once again I am repeating. House protect us from heat, rain, cold and wind. What is the second one? What is a kacha house? A small house made up of mud, wood, leaves, etc. is called a kacha house. So what is the third question? What is a pakka house? A big house made up of bricks, wood, cement and steel is called a pakka house. Okay children, these are the three question answers I have given. You leave fourth and fifth if they are not required. First 1, 2, 3 you take down, and next third bit is a fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks. First one is what? We need a dash to live in. What do we need? We need house. Gypsies live in dash. Where the gypsies are living means the place. The people who move from one place to another place. Where they are living in caravans. Means gypsies lives in dash, caravans. Dash makes tent and live in them. Which people are making the tent? The circus people. Houses in the hills have dash roofs. What type of the roofs they are having in the hilly side areas? They are having the sloping roofs. Eskimos makes igloos and live in them. What they are making? They are making the igloos. Next one, coming to the map, the following children. Just to look here. Here I does not have the enough space to write. So how the way I have written, just to see children. Map the following A and B. First one is what? Kacha house. Kacha house is made up of what children? Mud. So that is the reason I have written here mud. Next, Pakka house is made up of what children? Pakka house is made up of cement. Okay. Next one, igloo means what? Igloo is nothing but igloo is snow. Next one, tent. Tent means what? People will be what the tents? The people are circus people are building the tents. Next one, caravans. Caravans is also known as the gypsies. GYPIES. Gypsies. Okay, this is about our third lesson, children. Okay. So yeah, fourth lesson. What is our fourth lesson in class? Materials. Material used for building houses. Your lesson is lesson number 4, materials used for building houses. Till now we discussed about the kacha house, pakka house, made up of bricks, mud, that all things we have discussed in the third lesson. So coming to our fourth lesson, what is our fourth lesson, children? Material used for building houses. Here children, if you see kacha houses are made up of with what children? They are given here picture. Kacha houses is made up of mud walls and thatched roofs. We need what we need? We need mud, straw, bamboo, wood, palm leaves, etc. to construct a kacha house. What are the things we need for pakka houses? Pakka house, for construction of pakka house we need cement, bricks, sand, wood, iron, steel and glass to make a pakka house. So this is the difference between the kacha house and pakka house. Here children, the carpenter, what is the work of the carpenter? He is a mason. Who is a mason? Those who build the house, construct the houses, they are known as a mason. M-A-S-O-N. What is his name? M-A-S-O-N. Those who build the house, they are known as the mason. Those who will be fitting the windows and doors, they are known as the carpenters. Who are known as the carpenters, children? Those who will be those who will be preparing the doors and windows, he is known as a carpenter. They are known as a carpenter. Who is known as a plumber? Those who will repair your drainage pipes, all the other which are related to the plumbing work, that which are the related to the wash basins, like drainage pipes connections. Those will engage, those will do this work, they are known as the plumber. So just now we discuss electrician. Who is electrician? Those who will do the electrification. What is electrification? Those will give the connection for your children, for fans, for TV, radio. These are all will be coming under the electricity. He is known as the electrician. What is his main work? He will be fits the electrical wires and plugs. Next, coming to the maintenance. Our house should always be kept in good condition. It should be kept neat and attractive. This is called the maintenance. What is the maintenance? Daily, generally, a mama early in the morning she will be sweeping the house, and she will be mopping the house, and she will be always dusting all the windows and doors. Why? Because it should be give the good attraction. When people will be coming from outside to your house should look attractive. That is known as the maintenance. And locks and keys should be provided for the main doors. When you will be going outside, just you can't leave the doors and go like that one. Here, isn't it, children? So whenever you are going out, you should be locking your doors with the lock. With what you will be doing, locking your house with the locks. And water pipe drainage line should be checked regularly. Insecticide should be sprayed to keep cockroaches and other insects away. So first we have to check the drainage pipes, because generally from the drainage, the drainage will leak on that particular time, the cockroaches may be coming out from the drainage pipe. So it should be checked regularly, and you have to spray the insecticides should be sprayed to keep cockroaches and other insects away. Okay, a clean and good house keep us healthy. Always the house clean and good house will be keeping us healthy. Okay, children, these are the hard words. We know all the hard words. So what is the first answer? This time writing the answer to that. What are the materials needed to build a kacha house? What are the materials needed? Mud, straw, bamboo, wood, concrete, etc. Okay, this is the first one answer, children. So second one answers, what are the materials needed to build a pakka house? What we need, children, to build a pakka house? Cement, sand, wood, bricks, iron, steel, and glass, etc. This is our second one answer. So third one I am not giving, children. That is big lengthy answer. Take down fourth one. What does the mason do? What he will do? Mason build the walls and lays the roof. Lays the roof. Okay, next fill in the blanks, children. Second bit.
सादिया का बुक आपको जब पेपर के बाद था होमवर्क लिख के भेजा था
Fill the blanks.
पेपर को पेपर बोले टीचर को दे दिए
Fill in the blanks. First one is what? Mud walls and patches. Second one, and built house. Third one, carpenter. Fourth one, blacksmith. Fifth one, plumber. Okay children, this is our fourth lesson. We have finished our fourth lesson. Here if you see the back the four line, cement is pakka house, palm leaves is kacha house, lights and fans is electrician, tables is carpenter, drainage is wastewater. Okay children, so we have finished full 4 lessons, question answers, everything we have finished children. Okay children, good afternoon children, thank you.